How to cancel MGM Plus subscription. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can cancel the MGM Plus subscription. So without any delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So the very first thing is you need to download the MGM application onto your device, and maybe you have subscribed to some of their plans or bought some of their plans. So in order to unsubscribe to your subscription, what you can do is, if you are on an Android device, simply open up the Google Play Store application onto your device. After that, you'll be able to see this home screen on your screen. So what you're going to do is navigate or head over to the top right here at your profile. After that, here you should be able to see this options called notifications and offers, manage apps and devices, and on third you will be able to see this option called payments and subscriptions. Simply tap on it. After that, you'll be able to see the subscriptions option on the second. Simply tap on it, and if you have subscribed to any of the plans of the MGM, you'll be able to see it here. So what you're going to do is simply click on the MGM subscriptions below subscriptions here. After that, when you click on it, you should be able to see an cancel subscription option. So simply hit that. After that, go along with the process to cancel, and you should be successfully able to cancel the subscription on MGM. So therefore, just follow the steps and you should be able to do it. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.